Our topic for today is what is music? Music is one of the most powerful forms of art. It allows people to express emotions, tell stories, and connect with others across cultures and generations. Music is an art of arranging, combining, and organizing sounds and silence in time to create a deliberate form, melody, harmony, or rhythm. And there are eight elements of music.
This topic for today, what is a melody? And what is a difference between a harmony? For a simply explanation ways, melody is a main tune of a music na original na ginawa mong kanta. Is parang is tulid of music na kinumpos mong musika na iyong ginawa of the key words na ginawa mo. Ang harmony man is the background music na ng melody. Is isang background kasi kapag sinabayan mo ang kumanta ng harmony, ang harmony kinakanta to be as song of voice. Kapag hindi mo kinakanta ang isang musika o isang lyrics, is a consider of harmony. Pero pag nag apply ka naman ng mga instrumental like instrumento, kung iba-iba pang instrumento, ang i-apply mo para okay. Kung i-apply mo siya sa isang song o sa your cover song, magiging isang considered melody. Example like this. Now, this is a sample sound song of melody. That's all. Thank you.
Today we tackled music teacher. We have one. Monophony is a texture in music that refers to a melody played or song or in unison. Ito ay isang texture sa musika na tumutukoy sa isang melody na tinutugtog o inaawit ng solo o sa isa ang himig. For example, row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merlin early, life is but a dream.
Dynamics. Dynamics in music refers to the varying levels of volume, how loud or soft the emotion, intensity, and contrast, primarily indicated by Italian terms like piano and forte. Dynamics are essential for shaping the musical narrative, creating excitement or building toward a climax. Ang dynamics sa musika ay tumutukoy sa iba't ibang antas ng lakas, kung gaano kalakas o kalumanay ang pagtugtog ng musika, na ginagamit din upang ipahayag ang emosyon, intensidad at contrast. Ang dynamics ay mahalaga sa pagtugtog ng musika.
Rhythm is the ordered, recurring arrangement of sound, silence, and emphasis in time, acting as the fundamental, pulsating foundation of music. Tumutukoy ito sa anumang regular at paulit-ulit na pattern ng galaw o gawain, such as walking or natural cycles. Harmony is the combination of different notes played or sung at the same time to create a pleasing sound. It supports the main melody and makes the music sound fuller and richer. For example, when one singer sings the main tune and another singer sings a different but matching note at the same time, that creates a harmony. Form. In music, form is the overall structure or arrangement of a song or musical piece. It shows how different sections of the music are organized and repeated. For example, verse, chorus, and bridge. For simple explanation, forms tells us how a piece of music is put together from beginning to end. Timbre is the quality or color of the sound that makes it different from other sounds, even if they have the same pitch and loudness. It is the reason why the same note sounds different when played on different instrument or sung by different voices.